Hello everyone, my name is Pratik Prasoon and I am here to tell you something about our H Foundation course. A lot of students come to me and they generally prepare for some MBA examination which can be SNAP, CMAT, CET MSCET, MBA, etc. Most of these examinations have somewhat similar syllabus. Quant is there in all of them. Then logical reasoning is also there in all of them, along with DI. And then English is there. GK, static and current affairs are there in some of them, not all of them. And innovation and computer is also required in some of them. So we are going to launch this course for these examinations. Now it will have component of quant where we'll focus first on concepts, then we'll focus how to apply that concept in a question. So how to write sentences into mathematical formulation. And if you have written that, then half the question is solved. You just have to calculations. Coming to logical reasoning, there are a lot of topics which are there, which we are going to see also. So that will be told to you in easy to understand way where we'll start from very basic or no prior information is required here. Come to English. There the focus will be on comprehensions, that is comprehension passage can be there, paragraphs can be there. Then grammar, sentence correction, modals, gerund, participle, infinitives, and then come to vocabulary. They are also quite important, like idioms, phrases, some of the foreign words, spellings, synonyms, antonyms, all of that. And for that, we have a platform, separate platform, where we'll study that in a very beautiful way. I'm going to give you a demo of that also. Now, DI is basically all about whatever you have learned in quant, you have to apply that, like percentage, average, all of that. Whatever information is shared to you, that is shared in a tabular format or a bar graph can be there or something. So that will understand how to approach the question. Come to GK and static. For that, we'll have regular classes and MCQs. Innovation and computers are asked in some of the examination. We'll discuss that whenever required. Quant actually will have focus on concept clarity and how to apply the concept. Innovative ways to understand will be used. So as I told you, in quant, we are going to use visualization tool which will make understanding better. For example, here we have profit and loss. Okay, so you can have profit or you can have loss in terms of weight, money, or items. For example, if you are purchasing something at 10 rupee and selling that at 15, then 5 upon 10, that is your profit percent. Now, suppose you are doing a fraud, that fraud is also your profit. Okay, suppose you are saying that you are selling actually 1 kg of rice, but you are keeping 10 grams with yourself. So actually, you are selling them 900 grams. So basically, your profit will be that 100 gram is the profit which you kept with yourself, and your actual cost will be that of 900 gram, and therefore profit percent will be 100 upon 900. Similarly, in case of a jar of candies, you have 100 candies, you took 3 candies away, and you are actually selling 97 candies. So 3 upon 97 is your profit percent. Suppose you are putting some water in milk, then also the water whatever is there, that is going to be your profit, and the milk, actual milk amount, pure milk, is going to be your CP. So that way you can easily find out the profit percent. In a similar way, as you can see here, packet was bought. In the packet there was 5 pencils, and you took one pencil out of the packet and you sold the packet at the same cost. Okay, but in actuality, how much pencil you are selling? You are selling just 4 of them. So 1 upon 4, that is one profit, and 4 actually you are selling. That is your profit percent. So this way we are going to see a lot of visualization in lot many things where we'll come to understand things better. Now come to the questions. There will be a lot of practice questions for each of the topics. Like this is an example of profit loss questions. So you can see there are so many questions, and below that you will have answer to those many questions. Okay. 20, 30 questions will be there. You will have an answer and then explained solution will be there. Okay. Not only explained solution will be there. If you will go at top it, there will be videos, recorded videos where the solution are discussed. Now let us come to the other part, which is LR and DI. Here also focus will be on clarity of concept and understanding and applying the concept and understanding the problem. Okay. Here also innovative ways will be there to understand and visualize things. Collections of question will be shared. Let me give you an example of that. Like this, the example of visualization of minimum overlap diagram, which is used to solve questions of syllogism. Okay. Upon that, there will be so many questions. You can see so many questions are there. These are examples. Okay. You can see. Now there is also DI. As you can see, this is the tab for tables. Similarly, you have for pie charts, graphs, and so on. Selected questions are given examples which are discussed in the class and how to quickly solve them. Okay. So these are selected questions which are chosen to tell you about a concept. Okay. So now we will see the English comprehension, grammar and vocabulary. So the first demo I am going to give you is the demo of vocabulary. Okay. In vocabulary, idioms, one word substitutions, synonyms, spelling, etc. will be taught in a very interesting way. Upon that, grammar will be discussed, the common error, there will be collection of rules, use of modals, voices, narration required will be shared to you. Comprehension, a lot of passages are there, paragraphs are there. So this is our tool, our learning assistant. So as you can see, I clicked onto flashcard where idioms are there, like shit the pagoda tree. The meaning of that is to make fortune. Then get your act together. When you are scolding somebody, be more serious. Then that's the meaning of it. Get your act together. Hit the sack, sleep, go to bed. Okay. We'll have vocabulary also. Like I. From I, we have so many words. We can see example of that. Go to flashcard again and see the words. Like what is the meaning of iconoclast? One who attacks common belief or institutions is iconoclast. Ideology, you might be knowing that a system of social political ideas. Idiosyncrasy means how you are different from others. That is idiosyncrasy. Idyllic is charming rustic way. Okay, charming in rustic way. Then similarly, we will have flashcards for GK also. Like here, it is for polity. For example, the strength of Supreme Court judges are decided by the Parliament. The strength of High Court judges are not decided by the Parliament but the President. The preamble is based on objective resolution. So we have seen that we are going to study English and GK in quite interesting way. Okay, we are going to record, revise everything. So we are going to share with you in grammar rules at least 80 rules where you will come to know how to avoid mistakes. You can see that there will be recorded videos and there will be classes as well. Okay, so rule number 21 says whenever you are comparing a nominative case, the object of comparison should be in nominative case. That is, I am taller than him is wrong. Why it is wrong? Because I is in nominative case, I is subject, okay, and him is object. So it is in objective case. What should be correct? I am taller than he or she is correct. Lastly, we'll have, GK classes, GK innovation and computers that will be taught in a very, very interesting ways. Like this is a sample of our geography lectures where we discussed about peninsulas. Okay, Kamchatka Peninsula was in news because of a tsunami warning which was given in the Pacific. Okay, it is there in Russia, and then we saw the different peninsula which are there, like Iberian Peninsula, Indian Peninsula, Indochina, Korean Peninsula, Horn of Africa, all of that. Then what is a bay? What is a gulf? What is a strait? What is a canal? So this is how we shared our notes of geography or GK. Now, in the similar way, we share the notes of innovation and also of computers wherever required. And this course, as I told you, will help you clear SNAP examination, the forthcoming MBA examination, and GK examination. So if you wish to enroll into this course, you can WhatsApp me at 7764869624. Thank you. Thanks for watching.